Okay, here we go. This is the relay socket, and this is the relay device. So if you want to buy this device, just take a look at the detail of this device on the above and the bottom part. So it has 8 pins. Oh, really, 8 pins relay. So the 2 pin is for operating coil, and the 3 is for normally open and normally closed, and the 3 also is for normally open and normally closed. So it has a 2 pole double throw to the normally closed and throw to the normally open. So to connect these 2 parts, just insert the pin on the socket slot. So just take a look the form of the pins, the position of the pins. Just take a look. Okay, connected. So let's start it. Okay, sorry. And this is the 4 indicator light, the 2 for normally closed and the 2 for normally open. So this is terminal block for line 2 and terminal block for line 1. So just take a look at terminal block and the connection to all lights. Okay, I will start it. So I will first connect the line 2. So sorry. Okay, the line 2, all white wire is for the line 2. This is a basic connection. Installation, basic installation. So, you need to know the function of every device in the basic stage. So if you know all about of this, you can step to the second level. Until you finish the course of electrical. If you want to study electrical in the school, the School of Electrical, most common teaching to learn about the electrical circuit is like this. So this is a actor. Okay. So we need to connect line 2 of the operating coil of this relay. Okay, so line 2, oh sorry, I don't need line 2 because I will use test light. Okay? I will use test light to energize the coil, so I don't need line 2. So okay, so I connect let's take a look the wire. I connect the line 2 here. So I connect the line 2 and okay. Okay, you see the wire. Okay, so the last one light is also connected here in line 2. also. Okay. Okay. So, the line 2 is completed. So, I will stop the video.